Fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070483. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear store cache. Bugged cache files are among the most common reasons for Microsoft Store errors. To address this, please follow these steps. Fix 2. Repair corrupted system files. Corrupted system files can also cause various issues. You can repair them by running commands via elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Remove junk files. To get rid of previous Windows Update files and other temp files, run the Disk Cleanup utility. Fix 4. Run the troubleshooter. Troubleshooters are built-in tools that can help users to resolve issues, including those affecting Microsoft Store. Follow these steps. Fix 5. Repair or reset the app. Fix 6. Re-register Microsoft Store. If resetting the Microsoft Store doesn't work, you may need to use Windows PowerShell to re-register the Microsoft Store. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.